Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a crochet with me, and I am going to be working on a jumper for myself. My goal in 2025 is to start making more things for myself that I actually wear, and I really want to improve my wardrobe so that I can style myself how I actually want to be styled, not just crochet wise but like in general, so charity shopping and everything like that. So this is the graph that I'm going to be using. I will link it down below. It is going to be a spiral, and then I'm going to be using this colour by Yarn Smiths. It is country green. I am going to be using that for the main bit of it, and then I'm going to be using Women's Institute, and then it's like a cream colour from Hobbycraft. I do not have like a full ball of this. I literally only have what's being used on the project right now, so it's over on my desk. So yeah, let's get started because I think I've given myself 3 weeks to make this. I don't know if I'm going to complete it in 3 weeks, but I'd like to put a time limit on myself to like actually encourage me to like fucking make my shit and actually do it instead of leaving like whips everywhere, because I literally have a whip over here that has been there since summer last year. Like look, I started this like summer last year. It's supposed to be a long maxi dress, so yeah, long way to go with that. So yeah, holding myself accountable. Let's get going. I have gotten quite far already through the front panel because I haven't filmed this intro until now, but here it is, and I will show you an update after we do a little montage that I will probably talk over, but yeah, let's go. So the first few rows that you see me doing here is just the bottom of the sweater. It is the base of it before I start the spiral. So this is where I'm at. It is still day one, which is the 6th of January, and I've started the spiral, and you can see that here, and I'm crossing it out as I go, obviously, so I don't lose count / where I am, blah blah blah. But yep, so now onto the next bit of the graph. So it is now the next day, so day 2 of this project, and this is how far I got on it yesterday. So now I need to do something fell over. Anyway, so now I need to do 10 more rows at the top. I think I've done 3 if I counted it properly. So yeah, and then the rows will be up here, and then I need to do the shoulder bits and then fasten off and make the other side. But this is it so far. I haven't had any problems. Pattern's pretty straightforward. It's obviously going to be linked down below. I'm following a YouTube video, and yeah, I know what I'm doing colour change wise, so it's not really an issue apart from that bit there where I didn't pull the yarn all the way through, so then there was just a long bit, so I just tied it and then I'll cut it and sew it in. But yeah, that is it so far, and I'm really enjoying how it's turning out. I actually really hope that I wear this because I'm sick of making big projects for myself and then not wearing them, so fingers crossed. But yeah, I'm hopefully going to finish the front and start the back today, but obviously I'll keep you updated on that. I also went charity shopping today, and I thought I would do a little haul because I got some stuff for the business and stuff for myself, so I'll just do it. First things first, I got these for myself. Sorry, the ring light is reflecting, but they're just bug stickers because I'm a child, and they were 50p. Next, I got a dinosaur book for myself because I am obsessed with dinosaurs at the moment. It's definitely a special interest thing. And this was also 50p. I'm not really sure, obviously I'm going to read through them, but I'm not really sure what I want to do with them after that. Like, part of me wants to like cut it out, make a really big like cool collage with like the different dinosaur artwork, but we will see. Obviously I'll do a video on that if I do that. And then yarn, I got this one it's called Riot Double Knitting by King Cole. It's 100 grams and it's 30% wool, 70% premium acrylic, and it's shade 3176. But that was in a charity shop for £1, and it obviously hasn't been used. It's quite soft, so I think I'm going to make fingerless gloves or something with it. Not really sure what yet, but probably something like that. And then the other thing that I got, the ball of yarn that I got, is by Ngl I'm brand. Oh, I've never used them before. It's 100 grams, 100% acrylic. Ice cream is what I think the colour is called. Cookies and cream, but then it says, oh, I guess it's like an ice cream coloured line, and this one's the cookies and cream. But I'm not really sure what I'm going to make out of this either. It's only 100 grams, so I might just make fingerless gloves again as well, or something like that. A small bag. I don't know. Any ideas, comment down below. But these are the 2 that I got from the charity shop. So now that I'm home, I'm going to start working on this. So let's go. Here is the front panel completely done. It's going to be oversized, but that is fine. That's what I wanted. And then I have started working on the back panel. I need to do 63 plus 8. 63 rows and then 4 each side for the shoulders, so let's get going. My hand hurts a little bit, but it's okay. It's literally just half double crochets back and forth, so it's not like the worst thing in the world, and it's a big hook, so yeah, it's not the worst thing in the world. So now I am just crocheting the back panel of the body piece. As I've finished the front piece, I think I filmed that showing you. But yeah, now I've just got to do a bunch of rows, like a lot of rows to finish this one, the back piece, and then I'll be on to the sleeves. It's still day 2 as well, so hopefully I can get a big chunk of the back piece done at least. I'm on 23 rows, I'm just working the 24th one now, so let's make progress. Currently working on the back panel while I play D&D. We're fighting right now, so not as much concentration on this, but yeah. I only need to do 10 more rows and then I work on the shoulders. Listen, D&D is full of chaos, alright? We were just fighting this. Hear me out. So, last night when I was playing D&D, I completely finished the back panel and I have sewn the shoulders together of the 2 panels. Now I need to sew the sides closed and then we will be onto the sleeves and then we'll be done. Well, there's ribbing and stuff to add, but then we'll be done. I do only have this ball of yarn left and it has been used. It's thin on the inside, so I may need to order some more so I can finish the project. But yeah, let's get going on sewing this closed together. Yeah, so let's have a chat while I sew this together. Basically last night I was on a roll. I was crocheting the bloody sides, no, the back, and I was going at it and I was so close to what I thought was being done. Then I held it up and I was like, this looks a little big, and I compared it to the other one, like the front panel, and I realised that I had done 5 and I was going to do 10 more rows than what I needed to do. So I had to obviously frog like 5 rows and then start the shoulders. So I basically like wasted so much time because I made obviously all those extra rows when I didn't need to, but it's fine. People make mistakes. I just frogged it and then started the shoulders. Hello, so it's time for a project update because I can't remember the last clip I filmed and I know I've done more since the last clip, like a lot more. So, but first I had my hair cut. I now have 2 long rat tails and then just like a bob, and I'm so happy because I fucking hated my long hair. Like in bed when I'd be laying down, I'd lay on it, and then when I'd roll over it would get pulled, or it'd be under my armpit because it was so long, and then it would get pulled as I'd roll over, and it was fucking awful and I was overstimulated and it was shit. So now I have this and it is so much better and I'm very happy with it, so yay. I want to make some reusable hair wraps and stuff that I could put with these and plait and stuff, so I'm sure that I'll do a video on that of me making some, because why not? It's 2025, it's the year I'm customizing my avatar. So I would love to save up and get more piercings and shit like that. Anyway, this is not an about me video, this is jumper video. So let me just pull this stitch loop longer so that it doesn't start unraveling. But I have ordered more yarn because I only have this much left and I think it might finish the sleeve, but then I need to add ribbing to like the neck, the bottom and the cuffs. This is ribbing. But yeah, here it is. I haven't actually tried this on yet, but when I hold this up to myself, this is like long enough, with just a little gap base for the ribbing, and then obviously I will steam this as well to make it a bit longer. But I will obviously, once I've done the other sleeve to this length, try it on and go from there. But here is the second sleeve, and I think like the last thing I filmed was like when I started this, it might have been, I'm not 100% sure, but yes, and I'm loving how this is turning out. Like I actually think I'm definitely gonna wear this, and I'm really excited because it's still, obviously it's winter, so it means that when this finishes, when this is finished, I will be able to wear it. I won't have to like wait or anything. Mainly because I'm making a video out of it, so I am forcing myself to finish it and not just leave it for a million years, which I'm glad that I'm doing, like being forced to like make it, because it's nice to finish projects, you know, especially big ones. And like I said, customizing the avatar, I want to start getting my closet together and dressing exactly how I want to dress, and this is something for it. Anyway, long rant over, I guess, if it was a rant or whatever. I'm going to carry on crocheting the sleeve and then I will update you with me wearing it, I think, once the sleeve is done. So yeah, that'll be the next up. So I finished the sleeves, or as much as I think I have. I always forget about my chest when I make things. So I'm like, oh yeah, this looks really big, and then I put it on, and then obviously the chest is yeah, so I think I'm happy with the length like this. I'm just gonna add the ribbing here and then the ribbing here, but I think I'm gonna add maybe 3 more rows on the sleeves each side and then the ribbing. So we're getting there. Yeah. It's yarn haul time. So as I think I said, I ran out of yarn for the jumper that we're making in this video, so I put in an order to get some more. However, I need some other colours as well, so I ordered some other colours. Here is the 2 that I need to finish the jumper. I don't think I need 2, I think I only need 1, but I bought 2 just in case. White and black, gold to finish a friend's Christmas present. Yes, Christmas present. It's January. And then green and pink. This one is for a commission for my mum. She wants me to make someone from Squid Games. And this is for a commission from my sister. She wants me to make some anime character and he's got this green on him and I don't have this green. So now I do. But yeah. This is Yarn Smith's Create double knit acrylic yarn. But yeah, I'll link their website down below because they are where I now get my yarn from and I really like them and I really like their yarn, so I'm sad this one come ripped, but it's fine, that's fine. But yeah, let's finish this damn jumper. Here's how far I am on the jumper. I did make the sleeves a bit longer, so now it's time to try it on, make sure it's the right size, and then add the cuffs around every part of it. So I just spent like 20 fucking minutes, I just spent like 20 minutes looking for my stupid 6mm crochet hook, and do you know where it was? Where I put all my other crochet hooks, and I checked that thing 3 times before finding it. But I found it. So now, as you can see from the time lapse, I am working on the neck ribbing, and yeah, I'd literally just have the ribbing to do on the different parts of the jumper and then it's done. And wow, I'm genuinely really impressed with myself for actually like starting this project and like almost finishing this project as like quickly as I have, because usually I'll be like, yes, it's time to start a clothing piece, and then I just won't finish it for months. And this jumper's taken me less than a month, you know, a few weeks, and it would be done by now if I didn't have to wait for my yarn, because like if I didn't run out of yarn. So honestly, I'm very proud of myself and I really hope that this jumper looks good on me and that I can actually wear it and everything without, you know, hating what it looks like on me and stuff. But yeah, I will definitely style it at the end of the video. But yeah, it's finished. All I need to do is block the sleeves, because I'm going to make them a little bit longer, block the whole thing by steam blocking it, and then it's perfect. I'm very happy with how this turned out. So if you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Let me know if you did obviously enjoy this style of video, and yeah, I'll see you in next week's video. Bye!